remember, BB guns can hurt. So if you ever like to go to a BB gun fight, just like always wear goggles. And in my opinion, like one of the best BB guns class is the P9 Stinger. 2 P9 Stingers, right? Like on like your like belt clips, and then you have a machine gun on your back. I prefer not really an M16. I'm not really a big fan of those, but I am a big fan of like the bigger machine guns, like the saw. I'll say the saw. If you want to go silent, have like a really nice sniper. Always have a silencer. The gear I would pick is like a helmet, kind of type like paintball helmet, like that goes down to your neck, so you don't actually get shot in the neck. I would take like a little vest. I'd have some gloves. I'd have like a patch, and that's about it. Peace.